Need to create hundreds of QR codes at once? Here's how to generate bulk QR codes in just a few steps. First, choose your QR code type. In this example, we're using a URL QR code. Toggle on Bulk Upload to activate the bulk generation feature. Download the sample file. A bulk upload pop-up will ask you to name your bulk QR batch. Enable dynamic QR codes if you need to edit the links later. Once saved, the Excel file downloads instantly. Open the file and add your data into the corresponding columns. Upload the updated sample file from your computer into your saved bulk. Map each Excel column to the correct field, then click Validate Upload. This ensures your data is imported correctly. Once validated, click Upload to generate all your QR codes at once. Access all your bulk QR codes from the Bulk QR Codes section in the dashboard. Click View All to manage individual QR codes and pause or reactivate them at any time. From here, you can click Decorate to customize the look, or click Download to save your codes in your preferred format and size. And that's it! You've just generated and managed bulk QR codes in just a few steps.